Video John Paul.
So we are at the Bible tayo. This is the goal also an institution from Section We are here conducting this interview for our research title, Goal Switching Patterns Among Levels as a Chairperson. So the first to third question is about.
So my number one question, sir, what language do you use?
Like, mo na siya legal way of doing business when it comes to making. So when doing my duties, especially when it comes to like meeting sessions, we use the English language because that is what we are about to use for. So for session, important thing na mag-use mo ng English language kay kabalo man siguro ng parliamentary procedure. So, like mo na siya legal way of doing business when it comes to meetings.
Question number 4. What language do you use when trying to convince someone or settle a disagreement?
Kung may problema sa aming barangay, either Bisaya o Tagalog, para dali masettle ang problema o concern.
What language do you use in giving instructions or making announcements as a key person?
Okay, in that case or in question, we must prefer to use in the vernacular, like the mother tongue, so that everyone will listen and understand what we are talking about.
So